How to find your backpack on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find backpack. First thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there on For You page, you're gonna find those three lines up there. And here you have My Backpack, the third option before the last. Click on it. And here you have your backpack. All the things, all the gifts, you're gonna find all of this stuffs here. So easy and quick. Click on those three lines. If you have some gifts and these things, you're gonna find it here. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.